Puzzle games that pay real cash don't reward solving puzzles directly. They reward time spent, level completion, or competition results, with puzzles acting as the main engagement mechanic. By the end of this, you'll know 7 types of puzzle-based cash apps, how they actually convert gameplay into money, and what separates consistent earners from apps that rarely pay out. Start with how puzzle cash apps actually work. Most of them don't pay per puzzle solved. They track progress, like completing levels, reaching milestones, or ranking in competitions, then convert that activity into points that can be withdrawn later. So the earnings come from progression, not individual puzzles. First category is match-style puzzle reward apps. These apps use match mechanics like tile or object matching, and reward you for clearing levels and advancing through stages. Second category is logic and brain puzzle apps. These apps focus on reasoning tasks like pattern recognition or sequence solving, where rewards are tied to completion milestones instead of speed. Third category is tournament puzzle apps. These apps let you compete against other players in timed puzzle challenges, and payouts depend on rankings or leaderboard positions. Fourth category is skill-based puzzle cash games. These apps mix puzzle solving with competitive scoring, where higher accuracy or faster completion improves your reward potential. Fifth category is progression-based puzzle apps. These apps reward users for reaching specific in-game levels, meaning consistent play over time is what unlocks cash-out eligibility. Sixth category is offer-supported puzzle platforms. These apps combine puzzle gameplay with advertiser-funded offers, so earnings come from both gameplay and completing external tasks. Seventh category is hybrid casual puzzle apps. These apps mix multiple puzzle styles in one system, and payouts depend on a combination of progress, ads, and engagement activity. Now here's what actually decides whether these apps feel worth it. Progress speed matters most. Slow progression means longer time before reaching payout thresholds. Reward conversion rate also matters. Some apps require large amounts of in-game currency before you can withdraw anything meaningful. And consistency of offers is important. If no new levels, tournaments, or tasks are available, earning potential drops quickly. So puzzle cash apps aren't really about solving puzzles for money. They're about sustained engagement inside a reward system built around puzzles. Summary: puzzle-based cash apps reward progression, competition, and engagement rather than individual puzzle solving. Earnings depend on progression speed, conversion thresholds, and activity consistency. More gameplay doesn't always mean faster payouts. Next step: test one puzzle reward app for a week, and track how many levels you need to complete before you reach your first withdrawal threshold. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.